How to turn on or off Do Not Disturb on Vivo Y02t mobile phone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, you can tap this and scroll down again and you can see the Do Not Disturb and the Do Not Disturb is off. You can tap this and you can see the switch button on the right side, and you'll have to do to turn on the Do Not Disturb is switch on the switch button on the right side. And now the Do Not Disturb is on. If this on, Do Not Disturb will stay on until you turn it off. Only receive call, message, and app notification which allowed to interrupt. And that's it. We have successfully turned on the Do Not Disturb. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off the Do Not Disturb on Vivo Y02t mobile phone.